Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a Patidar whose unwavering resolve and dignity the world salutes even today. While one Patidar can change the map of India with determination, resilience, and unshakable commitment, imagine the monumental impact if the entire community of successful Patidars get united on a single platform. New heights of success can be attained, and a glorious history can be written. One strong step in the same direction is Global Patidar Business Organization. That's GPBO, a global platform for businessmen worldwide involved in various businesses aimed at achieving success and growth. GPBO is the manifestation of the visionary foresight of Shri Gagji Bhai Sutaria, Pramukh Sevak of Sardar Dham.
સરદાર ધામ મિશન 2026 અંતર્ગત 5 લક્ષ્યો નક્કી કર્યા છે. તેમાંનું મહત્ત્વનું લક્ષ્ય છે જીપીબીઓ એટલે ગ્લોબલ પાટીદાર બિઝનેસ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન. જીપીબીઓની રચના B2B P2P ગામથી લઈને ગ્લોબલ સુધી વૈશ્વિક જોડાણ માટે આપણે રચના કરી છે.
Propelling economic progress in business and industry, and initiating efforts to fulfill social and national responsibilities. GPBO is deeply rooted in the powerful motto of social transformation to nation building. Inspired by Shri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, GPBO aims to redefine business networking by offering opportunities and resources for every businessman to achieve success, progress, and excellence. GPBO connects an entrepreneur from a remote village in Gujarat with global entrepreneurs, supporting them to achieve success and grow together. The entrepreneurs associated with GPBO succeed in their businesses. Their self-confidence increases. They continuously receive the guidance and support they need, and they contribute significantly to the country's economic empowerment. That is the working mantra of GPBO. And that's why GPBO members build a ladder of success for each other, striving to promote and elevate both their own businesses and those of fellow members to new heights. In this age of business networking, GPBO offers the opportunity to rethink various aspects of business, including strategies, branding, and marketing. That's why the journey of GPBO, which started as a small initiative, is making significant strides today. More than 1,500 members are associated with GPBO. GPBO has wings operating in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mehsana, Vadodara, Bhavnagar, Navsari, and Mumbai. Today, GPBO members have collectively conducted more than 1,500 crore worth of business together.
મને કહેતા ખુશી અને ગર્વ થાય છે કે છેલ્લા 3 વર્ષની અંદર જીપીબીઓમાં જે લોકો જોડાણા છે ભાઈઓ અને બહેનો એ કરોડો રૂપિયાનો બિઝનેસ મેળવી ચૂક્યા છે. મને વિશ્વાસ અને શ્રદ્ધા છે કે સરદારધામમાં જે જીપીબીઓમાં જોડાશે એમને ખૂબ આનંદ થશે અને એક સાચી દિશામાં સારા પરિવારના ભાગીદાર એટલે કે સભ્ય બનીને એક પરિવારની ભાંતિ સરદારધામમાં તમે જોડાઓ અને સરદારધામ પણ તમને ઉપયોગી થવા માગે છે. તમને જે પ્રકારની જરૂર સમય સાથે સુવિધાઓની જરૂર હોય એ પણ વ્યવસ્થા સરદારધામ પૂરી પાડશે.
GPBO is not just networking. There is a belief in expanding new horizons of success together. An attempt to rise above individual development and foster community growth. GPBO, where business collaboration sparks new paths to progress.